Well, hello. Today I'm out in my shop. I've got at least one project that I need to accomplish today. I had gotten an order from one of the vendors at this market that I was at this last weekend, the Sask Family Expo, and she had talked to me about cutting up some slices for her, slices of antler for her, so then she could experiment with popping some jewels and some feathers on for one of the projects that she wants to do. I think they look amazing. And so I definitely said, yes, I will do that for you. So that's what I'm in the shop to do today. She needs 5 sets, so 10 pieces. We're gonna cut them. I'm gonna send her some pictures to see if she likes that size. And if she's happy, then I will sand them up and finish them, pop some holes in, and then get them off to her or figure out what the pickup situation is gonna look like. Anyway, so that's the project today. So why don't you come with me and we'll do it together. She had requested some pieces that were 1.5 to 2 inches long and about 1 inch wide. And this was the reference for the thickness, about a couple millimeters. I ended up using these 3 antlers, or at least attempting to use them. I sliced them up because they looked around the size that she had requested. 2 of them are from a mule deer and 1 is from a white-tailed deer. We got them from our friend who farms down by Brownlee around Eyebrow, Saskatchewan. He has given us tons of sheds and it's such a blessing. The reason I grabbed 3 different antlers was because when I slice into one, I never know what I'm gonna get. I never know the texture and I never know the color. I didn't catch this on film, but I ended up breaking my bandsaw blade. Thankfully, I was able to get all 3 antlers cut and I had some good pieces to choose from. After my cleanup, I ended up taking some pictures of the antlers I had cut, and she chose these ones. They were actually from the white-tailed deer, so I just think it's kind of funny that they were white from a whitetail. And is the fashion around here, I was running a little bit behind. So this is the next day. I always think that I have way more time than I actually do. If you're a creative, can you please thumbs up this video if you agree with me? And here I just sand, and I sand, and I sand, and I sand. Then when I think I'm done sanding, I sand some more. I ended up going to, I think, about a 3000 grit on my sandpaper, so they were nice and shiny and felt really soft and smooth. She had requested a hole in the top and the bottom, so I did that for all 10 pieces, and they were smashing. And since this was my first order that I was going to send in the mail, I didn't have all the things that I wanted or needed for packaging. So this is where we are. I'm on my way to the dollar store right now to pick up a box and some envelopes, different things to mail my purchase with and wrap it up and make it look all pretty. So I'm gonna do that and get it off hopefully today. That's the plan. It is 4:33 right now. I have until 5 when the post office closes to get this in the mail. So let's do it. All right, so I'm in Dollarama right now. I'm picking out I got some twine that I'm gonna use to wrap the order with. And I'm actually gonna grab this gold. I have black at home, but I'm gonna get black too. So this is all I can find for packing. I'm gonna take another stroll and see if I can find any form of box. Finding some that are cute and wooden, but I don't know if that would be the best for this situation. I was hoping they might have some little cardboard packing boxes, and they do for gifts, but they're big, so not exactly what I need. Oh, okay, I just found some favor bags, so I'll see if they have a color that's similar to what I would use and take it from there. Scan your first item. Welcome. Please scan your first. As much as I'd love to say that I'm gonna get it in the mail today, it just won't happen. It is 4:51, so I'll take you home and I'll show you how I'm gonna wrap it up. Not exactly what I would want, but it's gonna be the best case scenario for this order. Here are the cute little pieces that I'm going to be sending to Saskatoon. There's 10 pieces. I'm gonna put them all in this little baggie here. Put them in one of this. I've got my thank you card ready. My business card's ready to go, and then I'll figure out this wrapping paper situation. All right, so here's what I came up with. This cute little wrap job. Stick it in my envelope and send it off. I wanted to update you guys on that order that I sent out. She got it. It arrived safely to Saskatoon, and she was really happy with the slices. She sent me a picture of the earrings that she made, and they are phenomenal. I think they're so fun. So if that is something that you guys are interested in, getting some antler slices for your own creative purposes, then you can send me a message. I'm on Facebook and Instagram. And if you're enjoying this content, please subscribe. I'd love to catch you here in the comment section or on the community page. That would be really super fun. So I'm going to keep making videos for your enjoyment and my pleasure of making them. And I'll catch you next time. Take care, guys.